Hi there, my name is Seva, and I'm the co-founder of ABC Digital Downloads app for Shopify. In this video, I'll show you how to set up PDF stamping on the ABC Digital Downloads app. PDF stamping allows you to add buyer-specific information like email, name, and order ID onto the PDF. This helps personalize the file and discourages unauthorized sharing. In order to get set up with PDF stamping, go ahead and head over to the ABC Digital Downloads dashboard and head over to Settings tab. On the Settings tab, if you scroll down, you'll see the PDF template manager here, and we'll go ahead and create a template. Now, this will be all of our template information, so we can set up the template name. We'll call this our cookbook template. We can also lock the PDF to prevent copying and printing. If we wanted to do that, just go ahead and click this button here. And then here's our text that will be stamped onto the actual PDF, overlaid. And we have a couple of variables that we can enter in, such as the order number, email, order date, and name of the purchaser. In this case, we have our default text here, and we'll go ahead and stick with that. We can also go ahead and adjust the font size, the text alignment, the actual font that's stamped onto the PDF, the text color, and for which pages this PDF stamp will show. In this case, if we leave it blank, it'll show for all pages in the PDF. Maybe what we'll do is we'll just increase the font here slightly and click Save. Now the next step is to head over to your products and find the product that you want the stamp to show on, your ebook, your PDF file. In this case, we have a cookbook here, and we'll see that we have a connected file, which is our PDF. Go and click on that. Then we will go ahead and click on Select Template, and we can actually select the template that we just created here for our cookbook template. Click Save. And that's it. Now your ebook will be stamped every time someone purchases. If you want to go ahead and test it out, go ahead and head over to your store and find the product. You can run a test purchase, which is what we'll do here, and enter in our name and our payment information. Go ahead and pay now and check out. Now we just have to wait a few seconds here. And as you can see, the file is showing here for us to download. We'll go ahead and download our file. And it downloads super quick from our server. And now if we go ahead and view the file, I have pulled up here, we can see that the PDF stamp is showing here at the top as we had set. And all of our variables are showing here as well. Just go ahead and enlarge this a little bit. Generated for name, email, order number, and purchase date and time. And we set this to show on all pages of our ebook. And that's it. That's how you set up PDF stamping on the ABC Digital Downloads app.